Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about the On Guard cleaner from doTerra. This, I added 2 ounces of this. You can see not much is gone, to 24 ounces in a spray bottle. I found many uses for that. I showed you the other day putting it on the hearth around the wood heater so it acts as a diffuser, and it also cleans. So let's go see how well it does carpet. I've got a few stains, and I found in my bedroom this works awesome. So we're going to the office today and see how we do in there. Here I've taken the 2 ounces I showed you and added to a bottle of, I think it's a 24 ounce spray bottle, and I've used a little of it so over on projects like cleaning bathrooms and stuff like that. But overall, when I first made it up, it was 2 ounces of On Guard concentrated cleaner to 24 ounces of water. Now this is what my carpet is looking like. So you see these spills. We're going to see how well the On Guard takes these out without having to rent a cleaner. I just sprayed that much on it. We're going to wait just a second. And I have no clue what kind of spills this is. It's probably a drink of some sort that somebody had. Okay, done. Like I say, I'm not even waiting. And it's coming up. Alright, so we want to try. Okay, this is the biggie. This is what I really want to know with. Do it a little over all of it. Let's start. And some of these stains have been here for a couple of months or better. Because I was thinking of renting a steam cleaner. And y'all, the cinnamony smell, the orange, the smell is awesome, okay? You see that? No more stain. We've got a couple right there, there. We're going to spray everything in this room. And now we're going to see if we can clear this up. You can see very little effort, and look how clean. On Guard concentrated cleaner works wonders on carpet spills. There's the proof, guys. If you'd like some to try, I'm going to be giving away a sample of the On Guard today. Tell me how you would use the On Guard concentrated cleaner, and hey, I'll send somebody, before the end of the week, I will send them a sample of this. It'll be at about 2 ounces to add to a 24-ounce bottle of water so they can try it. Isn't that amazing? I'm liking this On Guard cleaner more and more. This cleaner is made out of essential oils and it works. It's safe for animals, it's safe for kids, it's safe for adults. You don't have to worry about chemicals. It's fresh smell, don't have to worry about the chemical smell. If you like the On Guard cleaner and you'd like a sample, comment in the section below about what you would do with the On Guard concentrated cleaner. I will send somebody a sample to try. I'm liking what they do for my house. And if you already have On Guard, hey, try it on everything. It works. Thank you guys.